Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Garmin to Nike Run Club. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To connect the Nike Run Club to your Garmin, what you need to do is check your compatibility. Ensure your Garmin is compatible with Nike Run Club app. Now the next step is to download the app on your phone and on your Garmin as well. So simply head over to your app store and then on the search bar type in Nike Run Club and then tap on the app and then simply tap on get or install according to your device and download the app. Now once downloaded, what you need to do is simply tap on open, and once open, what you need to do is sign into your Nike account. If you don't have an account, what you need to do is create one, and once you have created your account, what you need to do is pair your Garmin watch. Make sure your Garmin watch is paired with your phone. You can check this on your Garmin watch as well. And now the next step is to enable notifications on your phone. Go to the settings, notification, and ensure that notifications for the Nike Run Club app are enabled. Sync the apps, and then lastly launch the app on your watch, and then all you gotta do is tap on start to record your run, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.